Introducing the Taron Premium Tool Box collection from TopmaQ. The TBI2003B Tool Box top offers 3 small drawers and 3 large drawers. A full-width top storage shelf packs heaps of room and uniquely prevents the drawers from sliding out when it's closed, preventing potential accidents in transit. The box can be locked in its entirety, keeping all your equipment safe. Each drawer features full-length aluminium hand grips and EVA poly liners to protect both the drawers and their contents. The TBI2003B Tool Box features 3 full-width drawers with a deeper base drawer. The top features a rubber mat which works great as a workspace, and the whole unit is lockable. The TBI2005D roller cabinet features 3 full-width drawers and 2 deep drawers, all easily lockable, keeping your tools safe. The toolbox's handle and casters combine to make it easy to keep your tools where you need them. The side-mounted tray lifts and pops into place, creating additional workspace. All 3 combined feature rugged, double-wall steel construction and a durable powder coat finish, giving you that reliable premium finish Taron are known for.